Hello friends, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do this makeup look, so let's get into the video. As always, I am starting with moisturizing the face with the Nivea Soft. To fill the eyebrow, here I am taking this dark brown eyebrow powder. Here I am taking this concealer to clean the edges of the eyebrow. To set the concealer, here I am using MAC Losing Powder. I am taking this warm tone color as a transition shade and applying it on the outer corner as a V shape and slowly blending it towards the inner corner. To build the color, I am using this dark brown eyeshadow and applying it on the crease line. Now I am using this highlighter as an eyeshadow and applying on the eyelid. Again using dark brown eyeshadow to fix the entire eye makeup. Now applying MAC foundation with the flat brush and blending with damp sponge. Here I am taking same concealer and applying with the flat brush. Here I am setting the concealer with MAC Losing Powder. Now I am contouring with brown color from the same palette which I used for eyeshadow. Here I am using this pink blush with the floppy brush. After that, applying highlighter on the top of the face. Here I applied lashes off camera and using nude matte lipstick to match the entire makeup look. At last, I'm taking this setting spray to fix the makeup. Thanks for watching the video.